Good day, everyone. Good day, guys. How are you doing today? How is everybody? How is everybody doing? How is trading going, guys? Any setups you had today so far now? So let's start with this one here. The first one we see now is Nasdaq, and we are on the 5-minute chart. And obviously I have to turn off the volume from Telegram. Just bear with me, guys. Okay, I think we are good to go. So what is actually happening now? 5 minutes in the session. Nasdaq drops on the 5-minute chart. The market is bearish. This high down to that low. Maybe we want to see a reaction here, so we can go for some short positions. Maybe have some good trades on gold. I'm planning to close them right now. So on Nasdaq here, the situation is as follows. The market is in a downtrend, and when the market is in a downtrend, we want to sell. On the higher time frame, the market made a lower low of this bearish engulfing. 50% is here, 61.8. So we are so this session we might gonna trade the retracement of that bearish engulfing. 15-minute chart is retracing, 5-minute same. So far looks a simple market to trade so far. So far it looks simple, guys. Who is with us today in this session? Whoop. I love this drop. Love the drop. 5 minutes into the session. We want to activate the aggressive sellers. That's the plan. That's the plan. See this one. How good is that? It's very much down, yeah? As I always say, guys, just learn to trade one simple market, one simple trade setup, the market conditions. Make it simple. Don't need to complicate trading. Just simple stuff. Relax minds. Hello. Simple stuff, guys. Very simple stuff. I just trade trends. If it happens and I will see a reversal, double bottom and all this stuff, I just acknowledge it and I'm planning how the market will evolve. But I will not trade just for the sake of one trade. I don't do that anymore. So for me now, on my two, I'm trading. I got another funded account today, and I'm trading on this account now, on this one here. That's another 200k account. So I have some positions here running. I sold from that point. The price now is testing this low. I mean, it's almost 1%. I can close trades. Let's see what's going to happen with this one here. Maybe we can squeeze a little bit more. Okay, job is done here. Don't need to overcomplicate stuff. Okay, if it will drop further, I'm going to take another trade. But the market, what had to offer right now, it was this opportunity. So just take it or leave it. Strong downtrend, the market is under selling pressure. See this green candlestick, very small compared to this black candlesticks. See that? This is a textbook setup, guys. Honestly, it's a textbook setup. It's nothing complicated. Red candle, a black candle, followed by another bearish, followed by another bearish, another bearish, another bearish. And here we saw the doji candles suggested the retracement will start. And it started, and a swing low formed. Buyers stepped in, they tried to push the price higher and higher. Long leg doji candlestick. And that's it, guys. You have to learn how to trade the candlesticks. It's a must. Whatever is your trading strategy, whatever is that you're trading, you have to learn how to read the candlestick. Inside candlestick during trends, powerful. Now this one here, I'm expecting a bearish New York session. Okay, unless this high taken out, unless this high taken out, we're going to have invalidation right there. Guys, what do you like to trade? Challenge accounts or instant funded accounts? Challenge phase accounts or instant funded? Buyers, they try to step in. Euro is down, so we expect gold to be down too. Maybe I need to resize this screen here, or why I don't see. Let's check gold. Gold. Let's see some global news. Global news here. Let's go to Forex Factory. Forex Factory. So today we had the non-farm employment change. The expectation, guys, look at this. The expectation was from 126 to drop down by half to 58. It didn't drop down to 58K. It went even further down, another 150K to 92. Look at this. Unemployment rate in the US increased from 4.3% to 4.4%. That means more people will seek employment benefits from the US government. Retail sales went up. People spending money in the US. So, how can you put them together to understand the markets today and next week, what we will expect to happen? First, these events are based on the surveys happened last month. So these events reflect to February's numbers, okay, not to what's going on. Don't get confused and blend these events with what is going on right now globally. That's not the case here. So if we go back to the charts, these events simply tell us that last month the US dollar was performing poorly. So that's the chart of euro. That's the chart of gold, and that's the daily. We see that a price action forms here that suggests that the price will drop further. Now, how to use that and understand the impact of the non-farm payroll. What we expect to happen now is the euro to react and become a positive against the US dollar. So we expect to see retracements here. But on the larger scale, see how the price went down and canceled all that distance. So the market essentially now is moving towards this area of liquidity. And the 114, 115 round, it's a good number for euro US dollar. I'm not surprised to see retracements next week unless, and keep that, if the US dollar really it's going to be a strong currency, the price action will cancel these events only under that circumstances. Nasdaq 5-minute is still playing around. I believe it's gonna climb somewhere between 50 and 61.8. Anything to do on the gold? German 40 is suffering a lot. Here is the deal. In 12 minutes from now, we're going to see the next candle. Okay. So 12 minutes from now, we're going to see the hourly candle. What's going on here on the hourly chart? So in the next 10 minutes, guys, if we don't see a black candle closing below this low, maybe we're going to go for the retracement of the session. What did you guys trade today, or what are you looking on the charts now? Oh, we see buyers trying to get into this market. Oh, too many doji candlesticks here. Jason, S&P. Okay, okay. Let's see if the price will reach this area. now I'm watching on two different brokers the price, and I'm pretty sure I'm watching the same time frame, and I see a little bit of deviation here. Okay, that's interesting. So now we are waiting for another 7 minutes, guys. These 7 minutes will be crucial, because now the price, if it's gonna drop, it's gonna do it right now from this point. So let's see. Come on, sellers. Come on, sellers. Come on, sellers. What do you guys think here? Up. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let's see. We like this. We want to see this more. The good thing about trend trading, guys, is that if you stick with a trend trading strategy and you don't look at anything else, or you don't trade anything else, you get so confident trading trends that you really don't care when you get losing trades, because you know that most of the times when the trend moves in your favor and resumes, you just make money. That's it. Simple. I see so many traders trying to complicate stuff. Oh my God. They try to be perfect. I prefer to make money rather than being perfect in the markets. What do you think about that? Is perfection worth more, or just making consistent money, having a consistent approach? It's better for your whole trading, for your accounts, for your mindset. Couple of minutes left for the hourly candlestick. If we don't see a close below here, if we don't see a close below this area, most likely we're going to go for a little bit push to the upside. Maybe we're going to see some retracements. Making money, yes. That's it, Jason. Trend, trend, trend. Put it that way, guys. Market makers make money when they trade trends. Professional traders make money when they trade trends. So why trying to trade something else? I don't see the reason. Maybe some people see the reason. I don't. My mind doesn't go that far. Okay, here it comes. Let's see if we're going to have a push. Let's see if we're going to have a push. Oh, definitely the market is in a balanced situation right now. You see the hourly candlestick ended as a bullish candle. So maybe you're going to see some push to the upside here to go for some retracements. This session is crazy. Whoop. So now the price is reaching the 61.8, and now we have two areas. We have this area here underneath this swing low, and we have the 61. So anywhere here, if we see the sellers, will be a good indication, guys. I'm still bearish on this session, not looking to buy. Here it comes. Let's see if sellers takes control on this part now, or if the buyers will push further. Let's move this. It seems like the market is getting the market absorbs the weak US dollar news in this New York session. Oh my God, guys, US oil is 11% up today. No way. Whoa. Whoa. US oil on this week, it's up. This week went up 30%. Only today, right now, it's at 11.5%. Insane. Insane. If you see the crypto market now is dumping, investors are scared to keep their money on cryptos. They liquidate. Many people are losing money now because they don't know how to handle these high volatile bearish periods. Have no idea. And I believe we're going to have a lot of sell-offs on the cryptos, on shares, even the share market. Yeah, it's very normal to see it's going down. The stock indices, all stock indices, Nasdaq, German, all of them. But for us as traders, we don't mind because we can make money when the price goes up, when the price goes down. No problem. Yes, exactly, Jason. Exactly. Price touched it and should back up. But here on the 1 minute chart, I can see this low volume node here and that low volume node there. Maybe the price will dip down to fill this up. Let's see. Nobody knows. Can't say that it's a simple session today, guys, okay? It's still a difficult session. Sometimes the reason I like the 1 minute chart is because you just enter, maybe in a couple of minutes you get the outcome, win or lose, and you just move to the next one. What is gold doing? Anyone is watching gold now? Whoa, that's a nice move. Gold. Here are some resistances. Here it comes. Here it comes. Now, we want to see a follow through on this bearish engulfing candle. If we see a follow through and we don't see the buyers anywhere around, guys, you have to admit that trend trading is the way to go in the markets. Huh? Critical session now, very critical session. To be honest, what I will be very, very curious to see is not the closing of this session, is the Monday's open, because we're going to have a lot of gaps there. We're going to have actually a lot of aggression during the weekend with the geopolitical situation, and this will make the markets very interesting at the open on Monday. So let's see. Mini chart. What's going on with the mini chart? So on the minute chart, this higher high okay, here this low volume area got filled, the doji candlestick pushed the price up. Now the market created a new low volume area here. Whoop. Here it comes. He's trying to, my God, he's trying to touch the 61.8. Okay, now it touched it. Let's see if the price will penetrate it. We'll go through. Then we're going to have the next one. Rejection at 61.8. Guys, this session is insane. So we're bullish engulfing here right at 61.8. There is an area of resistance up there. Let's see if anything changed on Forex Factory. If we have any news here written. EURUSD only, signals with moving averages, gold with no trend. What is this? Yeah, someone posted here something. Okay, I'm not interested in this stuff. Okay, guys, I will leave this session up to here. I want to wish to everyone to have a great weekend. Thanks for tuning in. Happy trading if you're going to be around trading. Be careful with the volatility, especially with the volatility. Liquidity, there is a lot of liquidity, don't worry now. Just the volatility, be aware of. And I will see you again on Monday, back with the markets and life analysis here on our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great weekend.